अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर। अफ़गानिस्तान ने कर दिया वर्ल्ड कप में सबसे बड़ा अपसेट। आप हैरान हो गए हैं। ये देखें कि अफ़गानिस्तान ने इतनी ज़बरदस्त बॉलिंग की कि उनके स्पिनरों ने 8 विकेटें आउट की। उनकी स्पिन अटैक जो ना इंतहाई ख़तरनाक है। आप देखें इनकी बॉलिंग और इनकी बैटिंग भी ज़बरदस्त थी। इंग्लैंड को इन्होंने चारों खानों चित कर दिया है। देखें आप इतने कितनी ज़बरदस्त बॉलिंग बैटिंग की है। आप देखें इनकी हाईलाइट्स आपको मैं दिखा रहा हूँ। वर्ल्ड कप का 2022 के वर्ल्ड कप का सबसे बड़ा अपसेट हो गया।
And maybe that's the consequence of the... Well, he's given a hint of width, or indeed created a little bit of width for himself. More runs here. Ibrahim's smashed away. It's been a really good... That is a lovely response to the change.
That's just a top shot. It really is. You have to call that magnificent. Overcompensates now, so runs continuing to... Short side of the ground. You don't want to make errors over.
Come on.
It's a half set. Top class. Short side of the ground, 58 meters.
It's been really good. Gone. Picked one up finally, and it's gone straight to mid-wicket. Joe Root. Ramat Shah. Oh, nicely. No run there. Earlier in the year. Oh, turn.
Thank you.
But a turn, run out. That is back-to-back wickets, I think, for England. Gurbaz is fuming.
You'd kick something, right? Big shot, and he's got all of that. Azmat. Oh, that's a beauty. That is a magnificent shot.
Just continue.
Straight up, out. They've got. And of course, shot, nicely played.
One stage. Get it. Just the two
Short and punished. Deep over mid-wicket.
And I also feel this is a time Joss Butler.
There is a little... Scuff it up a little bit.
Bish put on a good point just from the back.
That length, confidence. Got him. Beats the outside edge. Azmat has to be on his way.
Is that swept nicely? Really good from Nabi. That is a positive op. So first and foremost, why is that?
Nicely bowled, a bit of movement, beats the out.
And steaming in and popping one straight to Joe Root at backward. And that is a wonderful response. Oh, somehow he's got it through the gap. I don't know how.
Big game. Probably that little bit more.
One fine and will beat Adil Rashid. Commentary box. Steered wide of Rashid to his left hand.
just not.
Oh, brilliant catch. Wonderful moving to his right. That is truly outstanding from Joe Root. He's Marvin dinted. Has he nailed it? Has he nailed it? Yes, he has. You can't set a field for that one. Well, you could, but it'd be very... Short side, and he's heaved it. And he... Has he hit it well enough? No, he hasn't. Should be gone. Point calls, arm spread. Takes it, Joe Root. Slashed for 4 from Naveen Haq.
Yes. Gone.
With a score well in excess of 400. Sri Lanka replying with 327, so runs are plenty at the stadium so far.
Side.
Oh, there is that swing, missing leg. No, says Rod Tucker.
Original decision is out, pitching in line, impact umpire's call.
Stumps. Simon, you made a point there.
Away from the left-hander. No, it's not. It's not. He's turned it. He's turned it round, and Milan's just got a little outside third of the bat, but it's good enough for 4 to the short boundary. Oh, what about this one? Has that bounced a little too much? Just a little too full, and he just leant on that one, Milan.
That's what I found, certainly, with...
It's gone away for 4. Just a little bit leg side, and Root onto it quickly. Bowled him. Getting through that was Mujib, straight through the defences of Joe Root. Afghanistan have got a double.
There you go. What about that for timing? Magnificent.
Thankfully for David Malan, just the one slip. Had there been a second. And overcorrecting. So, 2 bound. On the ball. Position of the seam, and that has done for David Malan. Beautiful bit of bowling, flighted up, encouraging the drive.
The bowling, yeah.
Unlucky for Naveen ul Haq. The length was good, and he drew.
Well, that's a great shot there from Harry Brook.
Beautifully played off the back foot. Different beast.
And this one's gone, Butler. The one coming in. Joss Butler playing all around that one. Naveen ul Haq in the middle.
As good as any we've seen tonight from Harry Brook. 100 comes up.
Nicely played and placed too. Good timing from
A.
Oh, that's out, surely. That's right in front.
Pitching in line, impact in line, hitting the wickets. They get back.
Googly first up. Shot, beautifully played. Timing once again from...
Edged and gone. Straight to first slip. Slowed it up beautifully, did Nabi. Found the outside edge of second. It'll help. Goes all the way. Swings it. Lovely free-flowing swing. Pace off, but that is really good timing from Wokes. Waited for it beautifully. Now he'll turn to... Oh, this time back past the inside edge. Been a terrific over from Mujib. And eventually it has paid dividends. It's got him. Little outside edge and Mujib has struck in back-to-back overs. And the big wicket of Harry Brook now.
Front and down the back here. It's hello to Lisa Staleka and Sean. Just over. Hit that in the gap as well. So the over ends with the boundary as it starts. Bat in his hand. Remember watching him go to work and take. As a top shot, it really is a little hallmark. Superb, a master craftsman, a wizard, continues his work, and they can see light at the end.
Smears that down the ground. Reece Topley backing away, cross bats it, finishes. Bowled in! And it is over, and Afghanistan have the great...